Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you which fuse to check in case your front windshield wipers are not working. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the front wipers fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side, right here. To remove the cover, you have two black tabs, one on each side. You want to press them and lift up. On the back side, there is a small fuse diagram, and this white piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the front wipers fuse, it's a fuse number F51, which is a 30 amp fuse located right here. In case this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to do a bit more diagnostics. You want to check the front wipers switch, you want to check the front wipers motor, you want to check the wiring towards the motor and the electrical connection. And then if everything seems to be good, you want to test if the power is coming to the front wiper motor. If it is, then most likely the wiper motor failed. If it's not, you might have a wiring issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.